Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours at stake. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade, going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadows, shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade, going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way.
Okay, so I've already been recording for 20 minutes. let this sit on my hair for about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys what time it is. It is now 5:17. So this really completes my pre-poo video, but you guys, my hair has been in those kinky twists for 8 weeks, and my scalp really needs to just suck in some of this moisture. So that's why I'm gonna sit here for about 15 minutes with this apple cider vinegar on my hair to try to uplift some of that dirt and gunk on my scalp before I go in with my shampooing routine. So I'm going to be using a new product. If you guys are interested in seeing what I'm going to be using, please stay tuned for that video. But this is going to wrap up my pre-poo video. I know I normally do a pre-poo chit chat video, but you guys, I didn't have nothing in my throat to talk about today. So I just wanted to show you like the best way to go in, lightly detangle your hair right after you get it out of a protective style. So if I didn't say so, today is October 3rd, 2025. And I will be seeing you guys in a bit so I can show you my wash day routine. And then I'll let you know how I like these products. I almost forgot to show you guys how much shed hair I lost during this light detangle. So this is how much hair I lost. It's pretty much about the same amount of hair that I normally lose. It's not a shocking amount of hair. I did lose more hair on the braided takedown part of my kinky twist, and I will show you guys that hair, the wet hair that I've washed out and the hair that I detangled after I get done with my shampoo. No, I will show you guys the two big bulks of hair when I am done shampooing and when I'm gonna style my hair. I'm gonna break the videos up so you guys can have some content, but I'll show you guys how much hair I lost, and I'm gonna put my hair in another low manipulated style. But just stay tuned for the next video. I'm pretty excited to try these products, so I hope you guys are interested in what it is, and leave comments down below if this pre-poo helps you detangle your hair after a long protective style. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.